Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SNDK on April 13th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $851.77. And at this point, my main assumption was that this asset was forming the fifth wave on its bigger scale, and the price targets could be the following. As you can see, we reached 0.618 Fibonacci extension level at the price point of roughly $860. The next price target was at 0.786 at $953.53, and the next price target should be a breakout above $1,000 mark at the price point of $1,072. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made this video, this asset hit the first price target of $953, had a reaction out of this level, and it broke this level with the flying colors, and for now it is hovering exactly at the one-to-one extension at the price point of $1,072. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, I will show you what should we expect next from the price action of SNDK, what catalyst we will have at the end of this week, and is it a good choice to add this stock into your investment portfolio. So, and let's begin with some fundamentals. First of all, we have to take a look at the general sentiment related to this stock, and to do so, just type in Google search bar SNDK stock and switch to new stuff folder. You will see several most recent news, and to be honest, all of these news are extremely bullish on SNDK. We know that well, the world desperately needs the flash memory that this company produces, and that is why, guys, I don't have any doubts that this company will hit much higher targets, but from the technical standpoint, we have to see the relief, and in a minute I will show you what I'm talking about. Let's switch to another news, and let me show you the forecast from analytic firms. For now, we have a consensus analyst price target for the next 12 years among 22 analysts at the level of almost $1,000. We are pretty much hovering at the same exact level, which means, guys, we might see some kind of consolidation in the upcoming days. On top of that, if we take a look at the upcoming event that will happen basically this Thursday, right after the market close, this company will publish its earnings report, and the results in these reports are extremely promising. They have an earnings per share at the level of more than $14.5. It is an estimation of its upcoming earnings report, and the revenue at the level of about $4.7 billion. If you compare it with the last basically with the same exact quarter of last year, let's switch to daily time frame and let me show you right here. This is their previous earnings report, and as you can see, they had negative earnings per share. And for now, guys, within just 1 year, this company became extremely interesting from the fundamental standpoint. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me remind you that this asset is pretty much at its top of this structure. From this bottom, within just 1 year, this asset gained to its value more than almost 4,000%. Mind-boggling numbers, and it is nearing to its local top. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If we take a look at indicators on a monthly time frame, you can see that RSI is at extremely high level at 98.31 points. We can see a bearish divergence, potential bearish divergence on a weekly time frame with extremely overbought condition of RSI. But according to MACD indicator, you can see that we don't have a diminishing momentum in this movement. On top of that, guys, I want to pay attention to the smaller time frame and to the structure of this movement. You know that from the Elliott wave perspective, we have to see 5 waves inside each and every motive wave. And for now, take a look right here. If I make a breakdown from this bottom of the 4th wave to the potential top, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a contender to be a 5th wave, but we might see another tiny leg to the upside, and this will be the end of its structure. This means, guys, if you want to enter your long-term position at these very points, it is not a good decision because this asset is extremely overbought, and the earnings report might be very promising and very positive. But despite this, we might see a pullback because, guys, if we take a look at the broader market, you can see that the index, the QQQ index, is extremely overbought as well. If we switch to, let's say, 12 hours time frame, you can see that it is hovering. It is hovering at the overbought condition level without substantial. Let me delete all these drawing tools. Without substantial retracement, which means, guys, the retracement is inevitable, and we have to see this pullback. And when it happens, I believe that it might happen this week, because despite the fact that this Wednesday will be announced several major earnings reports for the Magnificent Seven, some of the Magnificent Seven stocks, you can see that despite potential bullish sentiment, we might have these earnings reports as the bear catalyst, just a trigger to unload the overbought condition of the market. You can see that Microsoft, Amazon, Meta and Alphabet will publish their reports this Wednesday after the market close. And then the next day, on Thursday after the market close, we will see Apple and Sandisk. Very important updates for this week. On top of that, guys, at the same time, we will see the for Fed interest rate decision at the end of Wednesday, again right before, let's put it this way, the market closes. And if this data is not so good from the macroeconomic perspective, definitely it will be a bearish catalyst for the market. And that is why, guys, I don't encourage you to enter your long position on SNDK at these extremely high levels. Be cautious, wait for the retracement, and I will definitely do another update in order to show you where you might enter the position on SNDK, at least in the medium term perspective. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap, only God wants you.